And guys, ito yung ano ng ilaw paggabi. So very relaxing ngayon, malamig ang panahon, and then yan, we have just 8-hour dinner. So yan guys, ang sarap. Dito lang kami. Yan, umupo, nagpapahangin. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa malayong lugar para mag-unwind. Mahangin. So, yan. Ang ganda. Hey, JC. What's that? JC, what are you doing? Can you please explain?
I'm playing this board game.
Can you explain what you're doing right now?
It's an offline game. Yellow, that stuff, and that stuff, that stuff.
Okay, did you finish your food?
Yeah.
What's your food for tonight? Huh? Hey, how about you, Jamie? Are you busog? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am.
Okay, guys. So, yan. Ganda. Ito lang. Hindi, meron ako dyan. Yeah, ano lang yan. So, yan, guys.
Ano yung yellow?
Tapos na kaming kumain at ngayon nagpapahangin lang, muni-muni. Having our dinner. Malamig ngayon kasi may bagyo. So makikita mo na malamig, mahangin. So masarap tumambay. Lalo na sa gabi. So okay guys, yun lang. Good night. Welcome. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe.